So in this video we will create a footer for our portfolio website. So let's go to the VS Code. So we are in the VS Code. Let's create a footer first. Let's go CSS. First we will select the footer. We will give it the height of 100 pixels and width of 100%. We will give the black color to the background. As you can see, there is a black colored footer. In the footer I will show my YouTube channel. So let's create a div under this footer. To show the logo of YouTube, we have to import a library. To import that library, you have to search cdn.js on the Google. And now search your font awesome. And copy the link tag just by clicking here. And paste it in the head tag. And now search font awesome on the Google. And click on the icon section. And then on the free icon section. Here you can search for any icons. I am searching for the YouTube. And then click on the icon you want to use. And click on the code to copy it. Here just paste in the div. Let's save it. First we will select the div by ID. Let's give it height of 100% and width of 300 pixels. Let's save it. As you can see, there is no logo because the logo is in the black color also. So now we will change the color of the logo. We will give it white color. As you can see, there is a small logo of YouTube. Let's make it bigger. We will give it the font size of 35 pixels. So you can see this icon is quite good. Now I will give my YouTube channel name. To do that, we will use the bold tag. Let's create an anchor tag to my YouTube channel. Now I will copy my channel link and paste it in the href. Let's save it. So you can see the width of div is too small. We will make it to the 800 pixels. So now it looks good. We will set it to the center. To do that, we will give it the display flex. And we will set the justify content to the center. We will also set the align items to the center. Let's do the same with the YouTube div. So we will copy and paste it. Let's save it. So you can see it is in the center, and if we click on that, it will direct me to my YouTube channel. So now we will fix the background for all images. So let's go CSS. To do that, we will use the background attachment. Same for the other two images. Let's save it. So now you can see it looks good. The background attachment is fixed for the images. So yeah, this was the last part of the series. Let's review the whole website. At first we have created a nav bar. Here we have shown three sections: projects, about me and contact me. Then there is an introduction part, and if we click on the nav bar like projects, it will direct me to my projects. So I have shown three projects, and then about me section, and after that contact me section, and in the last I have shown my YouTube channel, and if we click on that, it will direct me to my YouTube channel. So yeah, this was the last part of this series. We have created so simple portfolio website only by using HTML and CSS. So yeah, subscribe this channel, like this video. Bye.